to make a team. First, to make a team. And I see that you have made a team here. The team is sitting here. What do we do in the match? In a cricket match? The captain is selected. But what does the captain do? He makes his team. And then after making the team, he delegates the work to that team. कौन ओपनर होगा, कौन फोर्थ पोजीशन पे आएगा, कौन bowling करेगा, कौन विकेट कीपिंग करेगा. Similarly, you have delegated the work to all these gentlemen and ladies here. तो मैं शायर तो ना था, लाइनिज्म ने मुझे शायर भी बना दिया. Yeah, it's a part of the Lainism I have gained. कौन कहता है कि आसमां में छेद नहीं हो सकता? कौन कहता है कि आसमां में छेद नहीं हो सकता? एक पत्थर तो उछालो यारो तबीयत से. द गवर्नर, आपने पिछले 31 दिन में बहुत पत्थर उछाले हैं और उन पत्थरों से आपने आसमान में ऐसे सितारे बिठा दिए हैं कि चांद की चमक भी फीकी पड़ रही है. दिस इज द व्हाट यू हैव डन. तो इसलिए मैं बहुत आपका पुनः एक बार धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं कि यू हैव डन एक्सट्रीमली वेल. लाइन दोस्तों, we are an organization. Now I'm coming to a little bit of technical. We are an organization. Lions Club International is an organization. In management, we see a management concept of the organization as a triangle. It's a triangle. Imagine in your mind a triangle. At the top of the triangle there is one point, single point. Then there are 2 or 3 points, then 4 points, 5 points, 10 points. At the bottom there are many points. That's the way the organization is built. At the top in Lions Club International we have international president. The second, third line or the dots are second and third vice presidents. Then we have international directors. Then we have multiple council chairmen. Then we have district governors. Then we have region and zone chairmen. But the bottom is, in Lions Club, the Lions, the foundation in the Lions Club organization is the Lions. एक बार ऐसा हुआ, आपने सुना होगा इजिप्ट में जो है बहुत से वहाँ पे जो है पिरामिड्स हैं. एक बार तूफान आया ज़ोर से, एक पिरामिड गिरना शुरू हुआ. सबसे पहले ऊपर का टॉप का पत्थर गया, फिर सेकंड के पत्थर गए, फिर थर्ड के पत्थर गए, लेकिन बॉटम नहीं हिला. हम सब 1 वर्ष, 2 वर्ष, 3 वर्ष में चले जाएंगे. V.K. Ladia will go after 23 as the international director. But V.K. Ladia will remain as a lion. He will never go from that bottom line. Similarly, you all who are sitting here as lions will remain lions ever. And that's why I say, be proud to be a lion. Be proud to be a lion. It's not just saying it. You must feel it. You must feel it from in the internal part of you that you are a lion. That's the way our international president speaks. Our international president, Douglas Alexander, he speaks that we should give the service from the heart. When I asked him, 2 days back, we had program to discuss with the international president. I asked him, Douglas, tell me, why did you choose this kind of a slogan, service from the heart? He said, Ladia, where does the God lives? द गॉड लिव्स इन योर हार्ट। भगवान कहाँ रहते हैं? प्रभु कहाँ रहते हैं? प्रभु आपके अंदर, आपके दिल में रहते हैं। आप सेवा करिएगा, सेवा करने के पश्चात कोई अच्छी सेवा करिएगा, यहाँ तक कि एक बुजुर्ग को रोड को क्रॉस करा दीजिएगा, उसके बाद जाकर अपने आप को शीशे में देखिएगा, आपके चेहरे के ऊपर एक चमक आएगी। वो चमक जो है वो कौन है? वो चमक प्रभु है। वो चमक कोई और नहीं है, वो प्रभु हैं जो आपके हृदय से निकल करके आपके चेहरे पे आ जाते हैं। और इसीलिए हमारे इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट ने इस स्लोगन को लिया है कि सेवा करो, लेकिन सेवा करो दिल से, ऊपरी ऊपरी नहीं। वो रिपोर्टिंग हमने 10,000 पेड़ लगा दिए, हमने इतना जो है चेकअप करा दिया डायबिटीज़ का, और हमने ये कर दिया वो कर दिया, नहीं नहीं। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि सेवा से जब आपको आनंद प्राप्त होता है, दिस अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन सुख, खुशी एंड आनंद। खुशी आप खरीद सकते हैं, आप कंफर्ट जो है वो खरीद सकते हैं, आनंद नहीं खरीदा जा सकता। और आनंद कब मिलता है? जब आप कोई सेवा का कार्य करते हैं, कोई ऐसा काम करते हैं जब प्रभु आपके दिल से निकलकर आपके चेहरे पे आता है। और इसीलिए कहा गया है कि नंद के घर आनंद भयो, कि नंद के घर आनंद भयो, जय कन्हैया लाल की। क्या हुआ नंद के यहाँ? आनंद आ गया। कैसे आया आनंद? भगवान आ गए, प्रभु आ गए। तो इसलिए इस फिलॉसफी को समझें कि हमें सेवा करनी है तो दिल से करनी है, आनंद की प्राप्ति करनी है और प्रभु की प्राप्ति करनी, कहीं नहीं है। और प्रभु यही है, प्रभु आपके दिल में है प्रभु। हमारे प्रेसिडेंट कहते हैं फेलोशिप कीजिए, लेकिन दिल से कीजिए, ऊपर ऊपर से नहीं। यार लाडिया जी आप आए हो, बड़े अच्छे आदमी हो, बड़े अच्छे लीडर हो, दिल से बोलो, दिल से बोलो। अगर आपने फेलोशिप दिल से की, मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूं जीवन भर के आपके दोस्त बन जाएंगे। और मैं ये बात, सुनील जी, मैं ये बात कहना चाहता हूं, आपने तो मेरे से भी ज़्यादा ट्रैवल किया है। मैं 67 कंट्रीज़ में वर्ल्ड में गया हुआ हूँ, और आज मैं गारंटी से कह सकता हूँ कि इन ऑल द 67 कंट्रीज आई हैव माई फ्रेंड्स। ऑल द 67 कंट्रीज आई हैव माई फ्रेंड्स। और वो जो उनके साथ में फ्रेंडशिप है, इसकी एक बात सुनाता हूँ आपको। वर्ष 2006-07 में मेरे इनकम टैक्स का असेसमेंट हो रहा था। द कमिश्नर कॉल्ड मी, जैसे लाडिया जी आपकी बैलेंस शीट में बहुत कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है। मैंने कहा सर आपने मेरी दूसरी बैलेंस शीट नहीं देखी। बोले 2 नंबर की बैलेंस शीट रखते हो? मैंने कहा नहीं सर ये 3 नंबर की बैलेंस शीट है। बोले यार 1 और 2 तो सुनी थी, ये तीसरी बैलेंस शीट कहाँ से आ गई? देन आई टोल्ड हिम सर माई थर्ड बैलेंस शीट in the asset side, the people who know accounts and the chartered accountants will understand it more. In my third balance sheet, I have an assets, and those assets are of the value of million, billion, trillions. And who are they? They are my friends. वो मेरे दोस्त हैं, जिनकी मैं कोई वैल्यू लगाऊं तो बिलियन, बिलियन, ट्रिलियन से भी ऊपर चली जाएगी. But no balance sheet is complete till there is a liability. There has to be liability. Now what kind of liability I have to ensure that I return back my friendship to them? That is what is the liability. I must ensure that my friends get back from me that kind of friendship. That's the reason I say that please do the fellowship from the heart. प्रेसिडेंट कहते हैं LCIF को डोनेशन दो, लेकिन दिल से दो, केवल पिन मिलने के लिए या रिकॉग्निशन मिलने के लिए नहीं। आई एम सॉरी, किसी ने कहा साहब मैंने $50,000 दिए, किसी ने कहा $25,000 दिए, लेकिन अगर किसी ने दिल से $10 दिए, आई विल गिव हिम 100 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 100। लेकिन देने पड़ेंगे दिल से, कि वाकई ही मैं LCIF को अपनी संस्था मानता हूँ, अपनी फाउंडेशन मानता हूँ। जो मेरी क्षमता है मैं उस क्षमता से $10, $20, $50, $100 दे रहा हूँ। This is the way we need to understand our organization. Yes, we have certain lions who can donate millions, but I will be very happy if District 320B, each line contributes maybe even $5, maybe even $10. That's a much better contribution, because we'll say that every line has a belief that foundation belongs to him or her. That's the kind of message our international president gives. जो करो दिल से करो, communicate, संवाद करो, ऊपरी ऊपरी नहीं, दिल से। मैंने बहुत यूनियंस के एग्रीमेंट साइन किए, ऑल इंडिया टेक्सटाइल फेडरेशंस के मैंने यूनियन के एग्रीमेंट साइन किए। और लेट मी टेल यू, जब भी मैंने दिल से बैठ के उनके साथ संवाद किया, मेरे एग्रीमेंट सक्सेसफुल हुए, और जब भी मैंने ऊपरी ऊपरी किया, हमेशा फेल हुआ। इट्स अ फैक्ट। अगर आप दिल से संवाद करेंगे, आपका कभी कोई दुश्मन नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन आवश्यकता है आपको दिल से करने की। दैट्स व्हाट इज द मैसेज। यूथ का डेवलपमेंट, लियोस, I find that you have Leos here, and the Leos are active. दुर्भाग्य से लियोस को वो स्थान हमारे यहाँ नहीं मिल पाया जो मिलना चाहिए था। आज हम लोग 1.5 मिलियन को नहीं पहुँचे हैं, only because we never understood the value of Leos, the youth. The president says, लियो को भी जो है प्यार करो दिल से, उसमें गलती मत निकालो कि आपने ये कर दिया, आपने वो कर दिया, आपने ये फंड कलेक्शन कर दिया, आपने ये एक्टिविटी कर दी। नो नो नो, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ लियोस। दे आर नॉट योर सर्वेंट्स। आई हैव सीन मेनी organizations or many districts where Leos are put on the job of serving the water, serving the tea. Leos are put on various positions. So kindly understand the value of Leos. The youth is very important to us. The President says, lead by example. President says, bring one, add one, and that will make our membership stronger. So these are some of the messages which the President has given. I like to tell you that, and Sunilji knows it, when you are becoming a candidate for the international director, many countries, many constitutional areas, they get connected to you. When it is physically done, then at the international convention, we candidates are going to the different lunches or breakfasts hosted by those constitutional areas or countries. But this time, in virtual, I was asked by some of the countries, and one of that was Canada, from where we have Patty Hill as the second international vice president. The Lions of Canada asked me, Ladia, what are you going to do as an international director? सुनील जी ने भी मेरे से बात किया। सुनील जी, आपको याद होगा एक दिन हम लोग दोनों बात किया कि आप डायरेक्टर होके करोगे क्या, ये तो बताइए हमें। Now I like to tell you again as a management man, I want that there should be strengthening of the systems. Unfortunately, we have only the audit of our accounts. Our constitution says that you need to get your accounts audited, file it within 60 days, and that's all. It never says that whether you are following the systems or not. I strongly recommend that there should be an audit of the systems, whether the club is following those systems which are prescribed by international or not. These systems need to be seen properly. These systems need to see whether the club is holding meetings or not. These systems must see that the board of directors are meeting or not. These systems should see whether the district governor is doing those functions for which he has been elected as district governor or a multiple council chairman. There should be an audit. So after the para where there is a provision for the audit of accounts, I would recommend to the Lions Club International for a system audit. It is done. Nowadays, in the company law, for all the companies having a turnover more than 20 crores, a system audit is required. If you are a listed company, you are required to give declarations of whether you are following system or not. What is ISO 9000? ISO 9000 is nothing but the audit of the systems. So that's what I'm looking for as an international director. I want to strengthen technology. We have all seen in the last 15 months the role of technology. We have all been working on one platform which is called basically Zoom. Why don't we develop our own platform? The international has a good technological cell. I would recommend to the International Board of Directors to develop our own platform so that instead of going on Zoom, we could connect to our own platform, whether it is a club, district, or the multiple. Similarly, we should have now our own electronic voting. The time has come that perhaps electronic voting will become a part of our system. Physical voting sometime may not be possible. But then, that voting should be free of any nonsense. That's why we should have a proper system of voting. Rotary International has done it. I'm not here to advocate Rotary, but if there is something good in some organization, we should follow it. And that is what the Rotary has done it. And I must compliment here, we have a past district governor here, Lakshmanan. Lakshmanan did good job in some of the districts I have seen in the electronic voting. But then we need, Lakshman, a standard system for the whole of the world. So that is what is perhaps the need of the hour. So technology we need to strengthen. I want to have another point very strongly. We need to have the marketing with the branding. See, we are known, but are we known for a brand? I'm a man of corporate world. I worked with Raymonds, and I started one brand in Raymonds, and you all are known to that brand called Park Avenue. The Park Avenue was started way back by me in 1975. And today Park Avenue is a brand for which Raymond is known. Similarly, there has to be a brand of Lions. If you have a brand of Lions, you believe me, you won't need to go to anyone for membership. People will come to you. हमको member बना लो सर. जब तक ब्रांड नहीं होगा तब तक हम जा के लोगों से कहते रहेंगे कि हमें मेंबर चाहिए. तो ब्रांडिंग के ऊपर कार्य करने की आवश्यकता है. ये कुछ मेरे आइडियाज़ हैं जिसके लिए मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता था. और मैं क्योंकि मैनेजमेंट का स्टूडेंट हूँ और IIM अहमदाबाद में जाता हूँ, अभी हमारी सेकेंड ईयर बैच की कन्वोकेशन हुई. सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स वर सुनील जी, दे वर पासिंग आउट एंड आई वाज वन ऑफ द speakers there from the Elmina. I had been the president of the Elmina from 1976 to 1979. So the words which I used for the second year students, I like to repeat it here. The words are, may you be fair. सब पे लागू होता है. May you be fair and just. May you be fair and just. श्रीमान जी, अगर आप अपने मोबाइल से 1 मिनट अपना ध्यान हटाएं. Sorry sir. When we speak, we develop an electronic current between the audience and the speaker. And when the current breaks, it disturbs. Mobile is an asset. You can talk anywhere, anytime. but it's a liability for me. I'm sorry to point out. So may you be fair and just in your dealings, and may you prosper, and you may do so, extending yourself to serve the humanity. This is what I talk to the second year students of IIM Ahmedabad passing out from the year 2021. So this is the crux of Lionism. This is, I have learned from nowhere else but Lionism, that we have to serve the humanity. The second year boys I am passing out needs to understand that they need to serve the humanity. And that's what I spoke that day. Organizations that demonstrate positive treatment, organizations that demonstrate positive treatment towards their members. Now I'm coming back to the Lionism. Organization. Lionism is an organization. Organizations that demonstrate positive treatment towards their members often have members who manifest high levels of commitment and emotional attachment to their organization. If we will respect our lines, if we get emotionally attached with the lines, they will remain attached with you. They will remain attached with you. But the question is, दिल से. दिल कहाँ है? Emotions कहाँ हैं? यहीं से हैं. तो इसलिए ये कुछ बातें मैंने आपको एज ए मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट आपसे कही हैं. इट सेज दैट कमिटमेंट को सुनील जी, एक बार एक स्टूडेंट ने मेरे से पूछा, सेकेंड ईयर के स्टूडेंट ने, कि ये कमिटमेंट को आप कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं. तो हाउ आई डिफाइन कमिटमेंट, आई लाइक टू टेल यू. डू एवरी पॉसिबल थिंग विच यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू डू. Do everything which is required for you to do it, even if it is inconvenient to you. Mind you the word, even if it is inconvenient to you. Your commitment is then. You may not be comfortable with it, but since you have a commitment, you are required to do it. Dr. Sarabhai was the first director of IIM Ahmedabad. He was a scientist. We all know that Sarabhai was a scientist. Nehru ji wanted the first director of IIM Ahmedabad to be Sarabhai. He said, I am not a management man, I am a scientist. But Nehru ji said, no, I want you, Sarabhai, to be the first director. Now let me tell you the last lesson which I learned from Dr. Sarabhai when we were passing out from IIM Ahmedabad way back in 1968. We went to him. That time the MBAs were not known. People used to say the management is not taught. Management is learned by experience. But that time, the first time, Sarabhai told us that, boys, you are going out to the corporate world. The last lesson, believe in what you do. विश्वास कीजिए उस चीज में जिस कार्य को करते हैं. And do what you believe in. और इस कार्य को अवश्य करें जिस कार्य में आप विश्वास रखते हैं. मैंने मेरे 55 years के कैरियर में, after passing out from IIM Ahmedabad, I have followed these two lines sincerely. I have always believed in what I do, and I always do that what I believe in. Many times I am criticized. Sunil ji knows it. But then, if you believe it, do it. That's what is the last lesson which I was given by Dr. Sarabhai. In the last, again, मैं शायर तो नहीं, लेकिन कुछ लाइनें जो हैं वो ज़रूर बोलना चाहूँगा. आपको देखिएगा, अच्छा लगे तो ताली बजाइए. अच्छा लगे तो है दिल से, उसके बिना ना बजाना ताली. अच्छा लगे तो बजाना, ठीक है ना. हाँ. एहसान दोस्ती के जताने नहीं होते. गवर्नर कोई एहसान नहीं आपका कल रात को डिनर खिलाया तो। एहसान दोस्ती के जताने नहीं होते, कर्ज दोस्ती में चुकाने नहीं होते। लॉन्ग टर्म है, पता नहीं कब खत्म होंगे, जिंदगी निकल जाएगी तो भी नहीं खत्म होंगे। कर्ज दोस्ती में चुकाने नहीं होते। बस सलामत रहे ये दोस्ती हमारी, बस सलामत रहे ये दोस्ती हमारी। ये वो रिश्ते हैं जो कभी पुराने नहीं होते। This is what it is. I assure you, you have a friend named Vinod Kumar Ladia. He is available to you 24/7. Kindly do talk to me, give your suggestions, tell me what you want from international. I will be representing you. I will ensure that after understanding your point, I will put forward before the board of directors. Do correspond with me, not on WhatsApp. I'm fed up of WhatsApp. अरे बाबा 500-700 WhatsApp रोज आता है, थक जाता हूँ. Kindly do it on the mail. My mail ID is very simple. It is vinodiim68@gmail.com. Give a message, you'll get a reply. 100% you'll get a reply after understanding it. So this is what it is, friends. Now I have some pleasant duties to be done. I will invite the governor here to kindly come here. We'll like to recognize some of the lions for their services given.
Please, all please come this side.
Yeah, please come.
Dr. Vasudha, Secunderabad Akhira, Lion Alim Beg, Charnar Secretary, Guide by Chairperson, Shivakumar Makana, GIT Coordinator Shankar Venkat Krishna Prasad, GMT Coordinator Rajendra Prasad, you are there already, and GST Coordinator Alok Kumar Jha. Thank you. And Bhushan Reddy, K. Srinivas Reddy, District Administration. Thank you. Lion Rajendra Prasad for the GMT coordinator, sir. He is the main instrumental in extending 20 new clubs.
Okay. This is the appreciation certificate on behalf of the
I also request first vice governor, second vice governor, immediate policy governor, line governor, sir, also please. There is already not 5 lakhs for India's contribution. So in fact, he is the person behind for all this contribution. For each line, who is coming forward to become India, he is contributing 10,000 rupees, sir. And now another 2 lakhs is added to that, sir. Total 7 lakhs. Sorry.
कहते हैं कि 2 चीज़ों में कभी कंजूसी नहीं करनी चाहिए. एक तो तालियां बजाने में, इस पे कोई टैक्स नहीं, और दूसरा मुस्कुराने में, इस पे भी कोई टैक्स नहीं. तो मुस्कुराइए और जो कर ताली बजाइए.
Line Arun Kumar Gudurivaru, please come forward. Then line Vidyadhar Reddy, District Cabinet President. Yeah, that's all.
Yes, sir.
He is with me for the last 3 years. We are together, shoulder to shoulder.
I said you are remarkable leaders, made your team 3 years back.
Yes, sir. Dil se, thank you. Together. Yes, President. Then line Dr. Vasudha Ranigar from Secunderabad Akhira. Madam, please come forward. Sir, she is instrumental in collecting 2,450 blood units in a single day, along with other NGOs, thalassemia and others. Line Ali Begji, is he there? Yeah. Line Gurpal Singh ji, please come, sir. Please come forward. Yeah, Gurpal Singh is coming. He has donated blood for 140 times.
Sir, are you having some blood in you? 140 times? Oh, Baba, 43 years old. Your whole blood is changed in color. अब तो मेरा ब्लड लेना बंद कर दिया। Because you have crossed the age.
43 years.
मैं सर 76
GAT Vice Chairperson. Then Shankar Venkata Krishna Prasad, GIT Coordinator.
reminds me of a time at a youth camp. In that youth camp, I was the superintendent of that camp. And I was having a kind of a hat. So one of the boys, just 13 years old, he came. और एक कबूतर का
Line Alok Jha. District Administration K. Srinivas Reddy and Line Bhushan Reddy. Line Srinivas Salike. Sorry, sir. That's it, sir. 320B is on social media. I would like to thank Anudeep Sai for this introducing all these things. We are on Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and on YouTube also regularly. Apart from that, I also would like to thank Line Ravindra Rao. Please stand up, sir. So he is the instrumental regularly nowadays. We have been reporting in TV as well as in press. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that. Thank you. Huh? Yeah.
Are you in here? You're lying.
मोहन जी, दीपक सर जी, आइए एक मिनट।
Well done.
Thank you.
Done. Can I keep it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, sir.
Sir, one more minute. I have to recognize my advisor during my governorship with the leadership medal, which I could not give during that time because he was hospitalized. So I request you to hand over from your hands. I will present it. Like Dinesh Narayan Tandon. George, congratulations. I have been waiting to give you
One book which reads Raindrop Wisdom. Raindrop Wisdom is a collection of certain quotes. So I have to present this book to the district governor. District governor, come here with your This is a book which will help you to understand what the leadership in the world is talking about. This is what I would like to say. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind.
Sir, thank you for your address.
I bow my मैं आप सभी को प्रणाम करता हूँ। जो मेरे बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं उन्हें धोख देता हूँ। धोख देना हमारे राजस्थान में कहते हैं पाँव छूना। जो मेरे से छोटे हैं उन्हें प्यार देता हूँ। और आज आपने जो सम्मान दिया है ये मेरे जिंदगी का एक धरोहर रहेगी। I will always cherish this memory of visiting Hyderabad, visiting district 0B. Thank you very much.
Sir, one photo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now we would like to honor our sir, our Sumi sir. Sir, please.
Sir. Yes. Sir, okay. Madam, ముందుకు పంపించండి సార్. Right. Okay, right.
The district would like to recognize the presence of Line PC Vettapalli Garu, past district governor 320B. We would also like to recognize the presence of Line Master Reddy, past district governor 320C. Line TRK Sharma Garu, past district governor of 320A. And of course our very own Line B.R. Rao Garu, past district governor of 320C.
Chief guest of today's evening, Vinod Kumar Nadia, keynote speaker, Sunil Kumar, elected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Sir, Vinod sir, a small commitment from our end. We are very happy that International has selected us pilot district for GMA approach. And out of the 75 pilot districts, we do understand the spirit of GMA approach of team spirit which you have enunciated so lucidly. Your management techniques will be 100% implemented by 320B. I thank the District Governor for nominating me as an advisor for the GMA approach. May now state in this open hall our commitment and the team approach of GMA approach, what we have implemented, made us to start 20 new clubs within 7 days and another one more club, and I should dedicate this achievement to the GMA approach. And I am sure we commit at this as an advisor to the GMA approach. We commit, sir, out of the 75 districts selected as the pilot project. We will be giving you such feedbacks which you will relish and try to implement in your new GMA approach in the next year. And we also assure you, not that we talk, we do the talk, and I am sure what we have achieved number 1 position in the first week, the same number 1 position we are going to maintain till end, irrespective of in India, irrespective of whichever district, irrespective of whichever districts, whatever the number of clubs, anybody can do it, sir. Now we honestly say, though it is 29 plus clubs is our challenge, as a GMA advisor, I have taken that we will be going to start 36 new clubs. And exceeding the target given by our governor 1001, our target net increase of membership is 1251. And we have celebrated Anandotsav, and we are going to celebrate Ananda Vijayotsav at the end of the achievement of this particular thing. Sir, if your time permits, you can come and participate in that celebration. And the word told by you is Ananda, and as a district governor of 2018-19, my slogan was spread happiness, be happy, spread happiness, create happy world, and I will be happy to present my Ananda pin. By wearing this, you will have Ananda forever. Can you have, come here, please give a good round of applause for the Ananda of all the people here. Thank you, sir. This will give you Ananda till your long piece of glasses. Thank you, sir. Only one thing, sir. Just all people have been installed, cabinet members, in the presence of such a great leader, Vinod. And you should take a pledge by extending new clubs and membership, which is the vision of our founder, Melvin Jones Fellow. That is the only gift we can give. And we would like to invite Vinodji for our Ananda Vijayotsav.
Thank you very much, Governor. I assure you, now you are one of the assets in my commission.
Thank you, sir.
Officer, District Governor, my brother, Line Vidyasagar Reddy Garu, First Lady of the District, Line Dr. Madhuri Garu, today's guest, International Director, Line Vinod Kumar Ladia Ji, Keynote Speaker, Past International Director, Forever Our Inspirer, Line Sunil Kumar Garu, Multiple Council Chairperson, Line Dr. Srinivas Garu, and other dignitaries on the dais and in the hall. Namaste. Friends, after a long time, and I feel you along with me come to bless my brother, our leader, District Governor, Line Vidyasagar Reddy Garu, as rightly said by our chief guest, 22-23 Governor, Line Kamal Kishore Agarwal Garu, 23-24 Governor, Line Resumalla Reddy Garu, and all the cabinet members. Such a wonderful morning, and we saw great installation done. I'm sure his leadership qualities he has shown in the last few days. He is going to set many more laurels and records in the district, multiple ISAMI, and on the international platform. I feel very proud that I'm an immediate past district governor of this district, and I assure you all, I will support as a part of district governor's team headed by Governor Line Vidyasagar Reddy Garu and team. Friends, సమైక్య సమాలోచనలతో సమిష్టిగా కృషి చేస్తే సాధించలేంది ఏదీ లేదని నిరూపించారు మన గవర్నర్ గారు. పిఏడి సునీల్ కుమార్ సార్ మన 320 మల్టిపుల్ లైన్స్ పతాక శీర్షికలో అత్యున్నత స్థాయిలో ఉంచాలన్న మీ ఆశయానికి మేమందరము తోడై we will ever forward and never to look back, which we invoke to guide ourselves throughout this linistic year 21-22. On behalf of our all beloved past district governors, I bring warm felicitations and good wishes to District Governor Line Vidyasagar Reddy Garu and the entire team. Long live Lineism. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now invite our Chief Advisory Line, B.N. Reddy Garu, our past multiple council chair.
Presiding officer, a dynamic line, District Governor, M. Vidyasagar Reddy Garu, First Lady of the District, Dr. M. Madhuri Garu, today's chief guest, a great line leader, International Director, Dr. Vinod Kumar Ladia Ji, keynote speaker, past International Director, great orator, the great line leader, R. Sunil Kumar Garu, multiple council chairperson, G. Srinivasa Reddy Garu, Dr. G. Srinivasa Reddy Garu, all the guests of honor, all the special invitees, fellow lions, gracious ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. District Governor Vidyasagar Reddy, I am proud of you because you are from our home club, Alwal Sahara. I have shown you the window of service to the poor and needy, and after observing you 3 years, first year I asked you to come and join our club, you have joined. Second year we made you first vice president. Third year we made you club president. Fourth year I made you, I have given you a good responsibility, that is district cabinet treasurer. You have performed well, and district cabinet treasurer, I have made up my mind at that time itself, because of your performance, to see you as a district governor from our home club. Your excellent planning, organizational capabilities, and selecting the gems line leaders to the right person to the right seat you have given, and execution part of it an excellent, and your managerial skills, and I tell you, your diplomatic skills also marvelous. That is why all your group, that is no teamwork, has made you, that is 20 plus new clubs you have given to our organization, and 60 plus LCIF, that is MJF and PMJFs you have given. And in the first week of itself, no, you have proved. So let me repeat that, no, you are a remarkable district governor in our multiple, in our India also. And my congratulations to the just installed cabinet members. All of you, my congratulations. My congratulations to event chairperson, my promoter, PDG R.K. Raju Garu, and joint chairperson, PDG, my good friend, Mahesh Kumar Agarwal Garu. I am thankful to District Governor for appointing me as a chief advisor of this one. And I assure you, whenever you ask any advice, I am here. I will advise you. Not only you, whole district, anybody can ask me anything, I will advise. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Now I request our multiple district JLT coordinator Ramesh Lakshmi Garu.
District Governor Line Vidyasagar Reddy Garu, Chief Guest, our International Director ID Vinod Kumar Ladia ji, Installation Officer and Keynote Speaker, our own PID R. Sunil Kumar Garu, other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, gracious line ladies present over here, Namaste to all of you. At the outset, I am really happy today, not just as a multiple GLT, could perform something last year, few of the physical training. One such training was that for the first and second vice governor schooling, we had under our PID Sunil Kumar stewardship. We all know very well, he does something different. So very first session, what he was talking to the first Vice Governor, today I think 100% Vidyasagar Reddy has implemented that. Your governor here is how long, he asked the first question. Everyone said that it is 12 months, someone said 10 months, and someone said about 8 months like that. Sunilji told it is just 90 days. But today, taking that session into a very strong into his mind, Vidyasagar Reddy could complete it in 30 days. The achievement I am talking about.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
That's the planning what he has done. So my compliments to you, sir. And always coming to 320B is something like home away home. Because it was in the Edswell district. I am a 21-year-old line. Yeah. So I was also part of your district. So my compliments and congratulations to all the DG team and especially the DOS, as said by our ID, Vinodji, that the pyramid, the bottom layer. So my compliments and congratulations each one of you for making this 320B proud today, and I wish that this will continue forever. Thank you one and all, long live Lionism. I bring very warm felicitation on my behalf, on behalf of the entire multiple GAT teams, myself and my Deepak Bhattacharya and Manoj Purohitji, and also LCF coordinator Vinod Tandonji, and also all the from my district, also home district 320C, from all the past governors, and also from my home club of Lions Club of Vilguda Greater. Thank you one and all, long live Lionism.
Thank you, Andy, thank you. Now visiting Governor Koteshwara Garu.
నమస్కారం. నా మిత్రుడు మరి నా కో గవర్నర్ విద్యాసాగర్ రెడ్డి గారు ఈరోజు మరి ఈ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చాలా ఘనంగా జరుపుకుంటున్నారు. మరి నన్ను నిన్న ఫోన్లో ఇన్వైట్ చేశారు. మాది చాలా లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్, భద్రాచలం దగ్గర 300 కిలోమీటర్స్ అయినా ఆయనకు విషయం చెప్పాలని నేను ఈరోజు వచ్చాను. మరి కంగ్రాచులేషన్ విద్యాసాగర్ రెడ్డి గారు, యు ఆర్ ద నంబర్ 1 పొజిషన్ ఇన్ ఇండియా. మీ డీజీ టీమ్కి, మీ క్యాబినెట్ ఆఫీసర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా నా తరపున, నా హోమ్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ 320E తరపున శుభాకాంక్షలు. Thank you very much. Long live Lionism. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Koteshwara Garu. Thank you very much for your warm wishes. Now, second Vice Governor from District 320F, Lion Kanna Parishramal Garu. Thank you.
సభాధ్యక్షులు జిల్లా గవర్నర్ విద్యాసాగర్ రెడ్డి గారు, వేదిక పైన ఉన్న, వేదిక ముందున్న లైన్ మిత్రులందరికీ నమస్తే. మా వైస్ గవర్నర్ అందరి పక్షాన, అలాగే మా జిల్లా 320F పక్షాన శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ, మిత్రులారా, నాకు ఈరోజు చాలా సంతోషం ఏంటంటే, ఒకప్పుడు కలిసి ఉన్న అంటే ఎఫ్బిజి ముగ్గురం కూడా ఒకటే జిల్లా ఉండే కాబట్టి ఈరోజు మళ్ళొకసారి మన పూర్వాశ్రమంలో కలుసుకున్నంత ఆనందం ఉన్నది. కాకపోతే ఈ రోజున మనందరి మధ్యలో ఎక్కువ సంతోషించే వ్యక్తి ఎవరంటే పెద్దలు మన సునీల్ కుమార్ గారు. ఎందుకు సునీల్ కుమార్ గారు మీకు అందరికీ ఆశ్చర్యం కలగవచ్చు. ఇది 320B సభ, సునీల్ కుమార్ గారికి ఎందుకు ఆనందం మీకు ఆశ్చర్యం కలగవచ్చు, సహజమే. కానీ మనందరికీ సారు పాఠాలు చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తారు, నాయనా మీరు ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఏదైనా చేయదలుచుకుంటే సంవత్సరం మొదటి భాగంలోనే, మొదటి త్రైమాసికంలోనే 3 మాసాల్లో పూర్తి చేయండి, మిగతా 9 మాసాలు మనం లైన్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు అని చెప్తారు. ఈ రోజున విద్యాసాగర్ రెడ్డి 3 మాసాల హోంవర్క్ నువ్వు 1 మాసంలో కంప్లీట్ చేసిండు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు సంతోషిస్తారు. కాబట్టి వారితో పాటుగా మనం కూడా సంతోషిస్తూ అభినందన తెలియజేద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Now I request past District Governor, past multiple calls Chairman, Lion B. Rao Garu to please address, sir. Please give felicitations, sir.
And friends, it's a great opportunity for me after a long time, after 16 months of COVID-19, to meet some of you personally. Otherwise Zoom meeting and the apps which has all been giving headache. I have come here on the personal request of your Governor Vidyasagar Reddy. I am extremely happy to be with you all. I bring warm felicitation on behalf of 3 to 4 multiple, and now as the past Governor and Council Chairperson of 320. I bring warm felicitation on my personal behalf and wish you all the best, Vidyasagar, and all your team, and we are there wherever possible to advise you or assist you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Friends, సభ ముగియడానికి సమయం ఆసన్నమైనది. మరొకసారి మీ అందరికీ పేరు పేరున కృతజ్ఞత తెలుపుతున్నాను. పర్టికులర్గా ఇక్కడ ఆసీనులైన Vice Chairperson GAT, our team, RCs, ZCs, GLT, GMT, motivators, and Srinivas Alke garu, Leos, all ikkada కూర్చున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి పేరు పేరున నేను కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుతూ next I request District Cabinet Secretary Lion Arun Kumar Guriri, please propose vote of thanks. Thank you.
Presiding officer of this historical event, District 320B District Governor Lion Maddula Vidyasagar Reddy garu, Chief Guest of Lion Dr. Vinod Kumar Ladia garu, dignitaries on the dais, namaste to all. I am really grateful for having given this chance to extend my vote of thanks to everyone present here. It is an honor for me to express my gratitude to today's chief guest, Lion Dr. Vinod Kumar Ladia garu, and keynote speaker, Lion R. Sunil Kumar garu. It's honor for me express my gratitude. Today's guests of honor, multiple council chairman, Lion Srinivas Reddy garu, immediate past council chairperson, Lion P. Mohan garu, MD 320 GLT coordinator, Lion Ramesh Lakshmanan garu, 320 GMT coordinator, Lion Deepak Bhattache garu, 320B GST coordinator, Lion Manoj Kumar Purohit garu, MD 320 LCF coordinator, Lion Minesh Narayan Tandon garu, IPDG Lion Durgavani Surabhi garu, council secretary, Lion Jia Suryaraj garu. It was an amazing event organized by our newly elected leaders under dynamic leadership of Lion Vidyasagar Reddy garu. Such a special event as expected. Dear Lion leaders, this is cabinet installation given new hopes to new start, new journey. As a leader in cause of service, social service in this world largest non-governmental service organization, dear leaders, this opportunity will give you several memories and many true friends and lessons for life. Dear friends, last but not least, I would extend my heartfelt gratitude each and every Lion soldier, those who made this installation success. I once again thank you everyone for making this event worth remembering all of us living this place with a lot of. Once again, I extended vote of thanks to everyone present here. Memories. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Lionism.
Thank Lion Shailaja Nair garu and Lion Chilaram garu, because always we forget most of ceremonies. Madam, we are all thankful to you. Ramana, I am also thankful to you. Please hand over a memento once I adjourn the meeting, because I can understand you are our people, my people. Thank you. Yeah.
We will have the retreat of the national flag. So may we all rise, followed by the national anthem.
Please, Deepak sir, please start, sir.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I adhere the sixth cabinet installation for fellowship 99. Lunch.